In 2023, this was the exact chart that helped us catch the bottom of Bitcoin right there around $16,000. We caught the bottom of Solana, Jasmine, Pepe, all the other coins, and we rode them right back even into the top. Even though a lot of people were screaming doom, doom, we said according to the rainbow chart, that was the best time to buy. We said every time on the rainbow chart, if you had just bought when prices were at the blue, you would have caught the bottom. Same thing right here we saw in 2015, the bottom of the chart at the blue extent or the blue level. We caught the bottom. Same thing in 2020, the blue level, we caught the bottom. Same thing we were saying on the chart. If you check the history of our channel, we were saying on the channel this was the period to buy. This was in 2023 going into 2023. We were saying the chart was at the blue level, buy, and we have seen that push to the upside. Now I'm going to be showing you why we are still going to see a bull run in 2025 and why a lot of millionaires will be made. So pay attention to this video as we get right in. So one of the things we can see that immediately you bought either at the blue level or after the halving, as you can see the first halving which happened right here in 2012, you would have had a massive bull run. Same thing right here, if you either bought at the blue level or after the second halving, you would have seen this massive push to the upside in the bull run. Same thing in 2020. If you had bought in that blue level when prices were at that blue level at around 5,000, or you basically just bought after the halving, you would have experienced this sort of massive bull run. Same thing we were saying on the channel in 2023 when Bitcoin and all the altcoins were at their bottom. We said this was the best time to buy. If you had bought in, you would have been up a whopping amount. But this is the last opportunity as we have just gotten the push or the signal of the fourth halving. If you had just bought after every halving, you would have experienced this sort of massive bull run. So millionaires will be made for people who are accumulating now, as we are about to see another massive push to the upside in a lot of coins, right? So as we look at the chart, we are going to give you even more proof to see that we are going to see massive push to the upside for this coin. So guys, we're on the chart right here for AXS versus the USD Theta. We're on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source. So AXS was basically launched right here in the middle of the bull market of 2020 to 2021, and we saw this sort of massive push to the upside right here for AXS, and then we saw this massive sort of crash right here for AXS that happened. Since then, we basically have just been consolidating for AXS, and if our R model is anything to write home about, you know we are expecting one more pump right here for a lot of altcoins, including AXS. And so if we are just basically looking right here at the Fibonacci price prediction tool, you could see right here that we basically have been accumulating right here for AXS, and it's just a matter of time before we see another massive push to the upside. So you can see right here the minimum, take note I said minimum we are expecting for AXS in 2025 is the $113 level right here for AXS. That could mean we could see AXS have a 1400% push to the upside. Take note I said minimum, so we could go above that, but we are still expecting that pump to happen right here for AXS. We saw more than that happen even in the 2020 bull run, and so this is the minimum we are expecting right here if our R model is to go, or if by looking at our R model, we could see that pump happen very soon, go in the third quarter going into 2024/2025, right? So that's the update right here on AXS. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.